Your colon is home to trillions of bacteria, shaping everything from your mood to your immune system. Ever feel sluggish, bloated, or just off? That's your gut sending signals. Don't ignore them. Today, we'll uncover 5 powerful, all-natural foods that can cleanse your colon and boost your well-being. No extreme detoxes or pricey supplements. Just simple, delicious foods you can find anywhere. By the end, you'll have a practical roadmap to a happier gut and more energy. Let's dive in. First up, leafy greens like spinach. These vibrant, verdant vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, ready to get to work inside your body. We're talking about a natural way to support your digestive health, and it all starts with what you put on your plate. And then there's kale. This curly, robust green is another fantastic addition to your colon's cleaning crew. Don't underestimate its power. And let's not forget arugula with its peppery bite. It adds a zesty flavor to your meals while contributing to your overall well-being. Together, spinach, kale, and arugula form your colon's cleaning crew. They're a dynamic trio, working in harmony to keep things moving smoothly. Packed with insoluble fiber, they act like scrub brushes, gently yet effectively clearing out the gunk. Think of them as tiny little sweepers, diligently working their way through your digestive tract, sweeping waste and toxins out of your system, promoting regularity and preventing that sluggish feeling. They help to maintain a healthy gut environment, which is crucial for overall health. Chlorophyll, the pigment that makes them green, isn't just for show. It's a powerful compound with numerous health benefits. Chlorophyll binds to toxins and helps flush them out, supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. It's like a magnet for unwanted substances, pulling them away and escorting them out. Not a fan of salads? No problem. There are plenty of other ways to incorporate these greens into your diet. Blend greens into smoothies for a quick and nutritious boost, stir them into soups for added depth and flavor, or add them to eggs for a vibrant and healthy breakfast. It's easy and versatile to sneak these greens into almost any meal. Get creative and find what works best for you. Leafy greens are loaded with vitamins A, C, K, iron, and calcium, essential nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining optimal health. They are supporting your immune system, boosting your energy levels, and contributing to overall vitality. These nutrients are the building blocks for a strong and resilient body. Consistency is key. It's not about a one-time cleanse, it's about making healthy choices a part of your daily routine. Make greens a regular part of your meals for lasting digestive wellness. Incorporate them into your diet consistently, and you'll reap the rewards for years to come. Next time you shop, grab a bag of spinach or kale. Don't hesitate, your body will thank you for it. Think of it as hiring a cleaning crew for your gut. They're ready and willing to get to work, keeping things clean and efficient. Even a handful a day can make a difference. It's a small change that can have a big impact on your health and well-being. Your colon and your whole body will thank you. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the day. Ready for something sweeter? Let's move on to the next delicious and health-boosting food on our list. Second on our list, the humble apple. Apples are packed with pectin, a soluble fiber that forms a gel in your gut, softening stool and feeding good bacteria. This gel acts as both a street sweeper and a traffic cop, keeping things moving and your microbiome thriving. Always eat the skin. It's loaded with fiber and antioxidants like quercetin, which soothe and protect your colon. Apples are convenient. Eat them whole, slice into oatmeal, or pair with nut butter for a gut-friendly snack. Plus, they're 85% water, helping keep you hydrated and regular. Any variety works. Choose the one you love and eat it often. Swap your usual sweet treat for an apple and feel the difference. Simple, effective, and delicious. Now let's talk about a tiny superfood. Meet chia seeds. Tiny but mighty sponges for your gut. Rich in soluble fiber, they absorb liquid and form a gel, adding bulk and softness to your stool. This gel keeps you regular, helps you feel full, and feeds your good gut bacteria. Sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, oatmeal, or blend into smoothies. No fancy prep required. Try chia pudding. Mix seeds with milk. Let sit overnight and enjoy a fiber-packed breakfast. Chia seeds also deliver omega-3s and antioxidants, fighting inflammation and supporting overall health. Start slow. Add a teaspoon a day and drink plenty of water to help them work their magic. Don't underestimate their size. Chia seeds are a digestive powerhouse. Add them to your routine for a simple gut health boost. Next, let's bring in some friendly bacteria. Fourth on our list, we delve into a food that's not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your gut health. We're talking about yogurt, specifically yogurt with live and active cultures. But what makes this creamy treat so special? It's a probiotic powerhouse packed with beneficial bacteria that can transform your digestive health. Probiotics are the friendly neighbors in your gut, the microscopic heroes working tirelessly to keep your digestive system running smoothly. They play a crucial role in crowding out harmful bacteria, those unwanted guests that can cause digestive upset, and restoring balance to your gut microbiome. Think of it as a tiny internal ecosystem that thrives on the right balance of bacteria. They help break down food, making it easier for your body to absorb essential nutrients. They also support regularity, keeping things moving along as they should, and the benefits don't stop there. Probiotics can even boost your mood through the gut-brain connection, that fascinating link between your digestive system and your mental well-being. A happy gut can truly lead to a happier you. When choosing yogurt, it's important to be mindful of the ingredients. Opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures clearly marked on the label. This ensures you're getting the probiotic benefits without unnecessary added sugars. Be sure to skip the sugary varieties, as these can actually feed the harmful bacteria in your gut, negating the positive effects of the probiotics. If you find plain yogurt a bit bland, don't worry. You can easily enhance the flavor by adding fruit, cinnamon, or a drizzle of honey. Or, for an extra boost of gut-friendly goodness, mix in apples and chia seeds. Apples provide fiber, which acts as a prebiotic, feeding the probiotics in your yogurt, while chia seeds offer additional fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Dairy-free? No problem. There are plenty of plant-based yogurts available, made from ingredients like coconut, almond, or soy. Just be sure to look for those with live cultures to reap the probiotic benefits. Incorporating a daily serving of probiotic-rich yogurt into your diet helps keep your internal ecosystem thriving, promoting optimal digestion and overall well-being. It's a simple yet powerful way to support digestion, strengthen your immunity, and even enhance your mental well-being. Make yogurt a regular habit, a delicious and easy addition to your daily routine. Embrace the probiotic power of yogurt and feel the difference from the inside out. Your gut will thank you for it. Now let's finish with a vibrant hero, a colorful addition to your plate that's bursting with flavor and nutrients. Last but not least, beets, often overlooked but incredibly valuable. Beets are the vibrant, underrated hero for your colon. Their deep, rich color hints at the treasure trove of nutrients they hold. We're talking about a real powerhouse when it comes to supporting your digestive health. Beets deliver fiber to keep things moving. This isn't just any fiber. It's the kind that helps regulate your bowel movements and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Think of it as a gentle nudge in the right direction, ensuring everything flows as it should. And betalains, unique antioxidants found in beets, are the real stars of the show. These powerful compounds help your body detox and reduce inflammation. They work at a cellular level, neutralizing harmful free radicals and promoting overall well-being. Inflammation is often at the root of many health issues, so incorporating beets into your diet is a proactive step towards a healthier you. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness. It caramelizes the sugars and enhances their earthy flavor. Just toss with olive oil, roast them until tender, and add to salads for a burst of color and flavor, or blend into smoothies for a nutritious and vibrant drink. The possibilities are endless. Betalains also support your liver, which is your body's primary detoxification organ. They work synergistically with your colon to eliminate waste efficiently and effectively. A healthy liver and colon are essential for overall health and vitality. Don't worry if your urine turns pink after eating beets. It's harmless and just shows the pigments are doing their job, circulating through your system and providing their beneficial effects. It's a visual reminder of the good you're doing for your body. Beets are incredibly versatile. Try them roasted for a simple and satisfying side dish, blended into hummus for a vibrant and healthy dip, or paired with citrus and creamy goat cheese for a sophisticated and flavorful salad. Their combination of fiber and antioxidants makes them a powerful ally for promoting optimal gut health and overall well-being. Embrace the beet and give your digestive system the boost it deserves. It's a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural cleansing processes. They're the perfect final piece to your colon cleansing puzzle, adding a touch of sweetness and a wealth of health benefits. So, let's wrap up your gut health journey by celebrating the incredible power of beets. There you have it, 5 natural foods to cleanse your colon and support your gut. Leafy greens, apples, chia seeds, yogurt, and beets. Simple choices, big impact. Small, consistent changes add up to a healthier, happier you. Your gut health is the foundation of your well-being. Nourish it every day. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and comment below with the food you're most excited to try. Remember, the greatest wealth is health. Invest in it, one meal at a time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.